Hello everyone, welcome again to my classroom. My name is Mrs. Tuano or Teacher Tinitin. We are now with the last part of our lesson. So lesson 1, as we said, is all about modals expressing permission, obligation, and prohibition. So in the earlier lesson or the first lesson, we discussed what modals are. On the second lesson, we discussed modals of permission and their usage. On the third, we discussed the models of obligation and their usage. We are now with the last part, which is all about the models of prohibition. So I know a lot of you are asking, what are about models of prohibitions? What are they? So models of prohibition, by the word itself, prohibition, which is the opposite of obligation and permission, this is all about not enabling or not allowing you to do something. They are formed by adding the word not, which is a negation. The common models of prohibitions are may not, cannot or can't, must not or mustn't. Now let's study the example sentences below. You mustn't go out when you are sick to avoid the spread of the disease. This sentence states a forbidden action. When we say forbidden, it means something that you really cannot do or you are not really allowed to do. Next, you cannot go out if you are a minor because you might get sick. This sentence expresses an inability to do something. When we say inability, it means you are not able to do something because of a certain thing, and that is being a minor. You may not go out unless it is necessary. So this sentence, as we earlier studied, that the word may is polite. So in this sentence, it is telling us something that we cannot do in a more formal and more polite way. See also that the modals must not and cannot have contractions, which are mustn't and can't. We only use the contraction forms in informal communication. So when you're talking to your friends, you can use that. But when it is written, okay, you must avoid using mustn't and can't. Okay? Notice also that the word cannot is spelled as one word and not a separate word. So the word cannot should be one word only. Now let's have a recap of our lessons on the POP modals. Okay. So for modals of permission, the expressions that we use are may, could, and can. We use it when we are giving consent or granting an action to be done. Modals of obligations are must, should, have to, and need to. Modals of obligations tells us things that must be done or our responsibilities. Modals of prohibitions are may not, cannot or can't, and must not and or mustn't. Modals of prohibition is not enabling or not allowing us to do something. And that ends our lesson on modals of prohibition, permission, and obligation. Okay. Hope to see you again in our next class. I hope you learned about the POP modals. Bye!